What I want to do is use this Rust-Oleum. You want the kind that sticks to plastic. I'm going to lay my blades out. Notice I got a white side and a wood grain side. I'm going to be painting the white side, just so that wood grain doesn't show through. I'm going to paint 3 blue, and 2 of them I'm going to paint white. Well, I ran out of the white paint, so I decided to paint all 5 blades blue. So that's the old ugly brown side and nice pretty blue side. I'm back inside. Now it's time to put these blades back on the motor. Again, I'm going to get the screw started before I tighten it down. I'll tighten it just enough to get it started first. Kind of hard to do this with one person. Okay, let's see here. Oh, without touching it. Alright, start on this side. The thing that really helps out is having a screwdriver with a magnetic tip. It's like having an extra set of hands. Next thing are the globes. I just simply wash these in some hot soapy water. Get them nice and clean. That's all I did. And now we'll put these back up. And these just have this little retaining screw that you just screw in on 3 sides. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? That gold really makes that dark blue pop. It really looks good. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Looks good.